So we back. I had to rewrap this thing. After I made that last video, I dropped it and it chipped the piece on the corner. So I just rewrapped this backside. So this is wrapped. I'm gonna hit this with a heat gun in a minute just to make sure everything stays put. But this is the top side. So this part was pretty good. It scratched up the backside part. So I didn't have to redo the bigger section, but this is the Spoiler King spoiler. Vinyl sticks to it great. Hopefully it lasts pretty good in the heat. I don't think it should have any issues, but let me see if you can see. So we right here on this edge, so they fold right together right there. So no overlap, is just right at the edge. So hopefully that doesn't cause a problem, but it looks real nice and you can't, as long as you're not dead up close on it like that, you won't see the actual seam or whatever between the two pieces. It'll just look like one solid thing. But yeah, about to go to AutoZone or somewhere, pick up some 3M tape so I can cover this on the bottom with tape and slap it back on there. All right, what up, y'all? So can you believe I went to AutoZone, Advanced Auto, O'Reilly's, and Walmart all yesterday afternoon? Nobody had, well, out of all of those, one store had 3M, and this is all they had. Just a little thin, skinny, small roll, so that wouldn't even be enough to do what I was trying to do. But anyway, I ended up finding this big wide roll that I forgot that I bought a long time ago. So found this in the trunk, so we got the spoiler on. I put it on yesterday, so it's been on today. I've been out and about. Don't believe I have any issues as far as it, coming up or anything, or the heat messing with it. But this is on. No type of real measuring. Just kind of sat it up there to where it looked like it was in the middle and stuck it on there. So it's one solid piece. Let me show y'all. So this roll is almost as wide as the actual spoiler. So this is about the size of what was on here before. It was just two strips. So this time it's just one solid strip, but it's from end to end, one long continuous strip all the way across. But we got the spoiler back. So this is the smaller Spoiler King spoiler. Not the there's one that's a little bit taller, and there's another one that's got the little dip in the middle, kind of like the C7 wicker bill kind of look. But this is it, and as you can see, normally when you're in here and you're trying to back up or whatever, the farthest you can see is the back edge of the window. So you really can't see the back bumper. So at least with this, the spoiler, that's the actual spoiler that you're seeing. So without the spoiler, you don't see the end of the car. So this at least gives you some sort of measurement. So like when you're backing up, you can kind of tell when you're getting close to something, so you don't back into anything. Because that is, the edge of that spoiler is pretty much the edge of the car. Like it sticks out almost at the same level as far back as the bumper is. So it's a good gauge to measure stuff when you're backing up. But got this back and it is pretty sturdy. So it shouldn't go anywhere, just like before. But the wrap on it looks good. Really didn't expect it to stick on there like that. Like it's easy. Probably would have wrapped the other one I had when I had one on the Impala. But yeah, anyway, fits pretty good. It is burning up out here, so this might be it for today. But I just wanted to show y'all the spoiler is on. This is the, I put a link. This is the small Spoiler King spoiler. So sticks out just a little bit. This is maybe inch and a half, 2 inches high, maybe. Sticks out about the same, 2 inches or so, maybe 3. But yeah, if you get one, painting it might be a little different process as far as getting paint to stick on that flexible material, but wrap seems to be perfect. So if you're thinking about getting one, just wrap it. And just for the people that didn't know, if you see me riding around, yeah, that's me. So saw my yellow accents. So yeah, I will catch y'all in the next one.